Tenere 700 today. I do apologise if the audio was bad in advance. I don't have a microphone attached today. Yeah, I've not been having a good time recently with this Tenere 700, unfortunately. I used to have the OEM crash bars fitted to the Tenere, but because of a drop I've had to take them off. They cause damage to the engine, believe it or not. So there's like a top mounting lug on the top of the engine where the crash bars bolt onto, and yeah, the engine's received a bit of damage. So yesterday I took the engine apart, took the casing apart, and I'll attach a video here of what I did. Here we go, one completely disassembled engine. Fucking yeehaw. Here we have the crack, and if we flippy do, you can see the crack on the inside too. Oh no. So as you're going to see in that video, the engine's been fully dismantled. So at the moment I need to try and find somebody who can weld the casing, and hopefully I'll have a second hand engine either I can sell or I can keep as a spare. And it's quite an expensive process to get a second hand engine and get it fitted. You're about £2 grand out of pocket. So I'm hoping to rebuild the engine myself. Obviously I've taken it apart myself. It's not that difficult to take an engine apart, to be honest. It's difficult putting it back together again. So that's where I'm at just now. So at the moment I've got a used engine on my Tenere, which if I go to the odometer here, obviously it's not going to match up with the engine that's on the bike, but this engine, or this bike, has 10,000 miles on it. But the engine that I got fitted only has around 4,000 miles on it, according to the dealer I bought it off. So when they swapped the engine over, they had to change the flywheel from my engine to this engine, as the bike wouldn't fire up. I think they said. Like they said, it was off a World Raid. So the engines are slightly different from World Raid to Tenere. So this is my first ride on this used engine. A long distance ride, apart from driving it home from the dealership, of course. So let's give it a good test today and make sure it's going to be a robust engine. No issues down the line, I hope. I don't think my wallet can take it anymore, if I'm honest. We'll go a wee round out to Fort Augustus, I think. So enjoy the video. That's me in Fort Augustus now. On a wee pit stop, enjoying the sun. Gonna do stage 2 of testing on this bike. Which will be a bit more aggressive driving. Myself here. Quality, I should have quality here. Yeah, that's not his fault. Quality. Right, nationals, let's go. Especially up here.